For this Apps Minute, we want to talk about the one-touch power-up button. Now, Haas has made dramatic improvements to this on the next generation control. With the next gen control, when you press power up, a pop-up will appear on screen, allowing you to choose your next step. You can choose the handle jog option by pressing the handle jog button and jog your axes to a safe position. Then, press power up one more time, get the same pop-up menu, and press A to zero return the remaining axes. Now in this example, I don't want to zero return all axes because my turret is not in a safe position. So, let's press power up. Again, I'm going to select the handle jog mode. And now, let me open it up again so you can see. I'm going to jog the Z axis into a position where I feel secure that the tools are not going to interfere. I need to close the door again, power up, and I'm going to press T to zero return the turret. Again, I feel confident in this position that the turret can zero return without any interference. So T, and there we go. At this point, the turret is already at zero. It's not going to move again. And now I'll zero return the remaining axes. A, so now the x-axis will zero return, followed by the y, and then, as you can see, the z. So that's the new and improved Power Up Restart button. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Apps Minute.